How to enable Vanish Mode on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about enabling Vanish Mode on Snapchat. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now once you launch the application, go ahead and tap on this location option in the bottom left corner of the screen. And from here, you're supposed to restrict Snapchat to use your location. Click on Don't Allow. You can also go ahead and tap on this profile picture in the top left corner of the screen and then go to Settings. Scroll down and go to See My Location in the Privacy Control. Simply tap on it and make sure that you have toggled this option on of Ghost Mode. And when you enable this, your friends will not be able to see your location and you will be in the Vanish Mode. So this is exactly how you can enable Vanish Mode on Snapchat. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.